Chef. So lately I've been trying these internet style recipe, and today I'm gonna do for you the Nashville Hot chicken sandwich. So you could use this for fried chicken, or you could just use this chicken sandwich recipe. So I'm doing the Nashville Hot fried chicken. So for my flour, I did a cup of flour, a half a cup of Cheetos, I did a half a cup of breadcrumbs, a tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of a Texas Rodeo smoked spice. So what I did is, so to make this you have to use buttermilk. The original recipe said whole milk, but it's best to use buttermilk. So I did 1 egg, a cup of buttermilk, a 2 tablespoons of red hot sauce, and some salt and pepper. That's what I use to make my marinade or my brine, whatever you want to call it. So I soaked it for 3 hours. You can soak it for longer, you can soak it for less. It's up to you. So I soaked it for 3 hours. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna let it drip dry, because you know the formula for breading is dry, wet, dry. So I take my breading mix and I dip my chicken, then I put it in my egg and I do it again. So then I'm gonna set that aside. So you set that aside and you continue the process for however amount of chicken you're using. So my pan, I got medium heat and my pan is being heated. So I'm heating my oil as I'm doing my chicken. Medium heat, I'm gonna bring it to like 325, because I don't want my chicken to, I want my chicken to slowly cook. So I want it nice and crispy, cooked all the way through slowly, because we have to put it in the oven for like 5 minutes once you put that Nashville hot sauce on there. So that's my chicken. So I'm gonna let that rest for like 5-10 minutes before I put it in my oil. So chicken in, and then we're gonna work on our sauce. So chicken doing its thing. Chicken, so I'm gonna let my chicken fry. So 2 tablespoons of crushed red, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm using 2 ounces of butter and 2 ounces of lard. I'm not using brown sugar because I'm using honey. So all you gotta do now is let your butter melt and set it aside. That's all you gotta do. And I guarantee you this is fantastic. Beautiful. Not too hot. A little bit of sweetness, a little bit of spice. Perfect. So let that cool off, and then we're gonna check on our chicken. Look how crispy those look. So we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna put them on our drainer, and then I'm gonna brush them with the Nashville Hot, and then we're gonna put it in our oven for 5 minutes, let it vibe, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna make the vibe. So Crazy Chef, big vibe. Hit that like button if it's your first time here. Guarantee you wanna hit that subscribe button. See that red subscribe button? Hit that red subscribe button, because we bring the vibe. So hit that like button, first time here. Hit that red subscribe button. I'm gonna put my chicken in my oven for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna create a vibe. Big vibe. So I'm gonna brush my toasted bun with some of that Nashville hot. Then I hit it with some mayo, pickers, because you can't do the Nashville without the pickers. So hit it with some pickers, some crunchy lettuce, and then boom, big, big vibe with that Nashville fried chicken sandwich. Look at that. Oh, look how that crispy sandwich. Look at that. Big, 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 big vibe. Some more pickers and we're ready to go. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Nashville chicken sandwich. Not too hot, not too spicy. Big, big vibe.